Welcome to Meelko. Introducing our feed pellet mill flat die with panel control. Engineered to convert a variety of raw materials into premium quality feed pellets, this machine is perfect for businesses looking to enhance their production process. Designed for ease of use and maintenance, it features an automatic cutter and versatile mold options to meet diverse production needs. Available in different models, with an output capacity ranges from 60 to 1,000 kilograms per hour. The production flow is straightforward. Raw materials are crushed, mixed, and conveyed to the pellet mill, where they are compressed into final pellets. This machine is capable of pressing various materials such as grains, corn, and other feed ingredients into uniform pellets, using changeable flat dies to create different pellet sizes. With its powerful motor and high output capacity, the Meelko feed pellet mill is ideal for business owners and entrepreneurs looking to produce high-quality feed efficiently. The panel control system ensures precise operation, making it user-friendly and reliable for consistent production. For more information, visit our warehouse or email us at info@meelko.com. Thank you for choosing Meelko for your feed pellet production needs.